Experiencing a no smart key detected error in your 2021-2023 Hyundai Santa Fe? This means your key fob isn't communicating with your car, preventing you from starting it. This is typically due to a dead or weak battery in your key fob, a common issue Hyundai has addressed with recalls and updates. Your Santa Fe uses a smart key system that relies on a low-frequency radio signal between the key fob and the car's computer, known as the Body Control Module, or BCM. The key fob communicates with the BCM through this radio signal, allowing keyless entry and starting of the vehicle. Inside the key fob are electronic components that generate and transmit the signal. The system depends on the key fob's battery, which is a CR2032 coin cell battery. This battery typically lasts 1 to 2 years, but can fail sooner due to manufacturing issues or environmental factors. When the battery dies, communication between the fob and BCM breaks down, causing the no smart key detected error. Most Santa Fe models have a hidden mechanical key inside the fob. Use it to unlock the door. To start the car, press the brake pedal and hold the fob directly against the start button for 10 to 15 seconds. Replacing the battery is often the quickest fix for the no smart key detected error. You'll need a CR2032 battery, available at most auto parts stores for about $5 to $10. Pry open the key fob using a small screwdriver, following your owner's manual for specific instructions. Remove the old battery carefully. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the correct polarity, the positive side up. After closing the fob, test if this fixes the issue by trying to start your Santa Fe. If the no smart key detected message disappears, the fix was successful. Hyundai issued recalls under NHTSA campaign ID 22V912 for this issue, affecting over 1.2 million vehicles globally, including many 2021-2023 Santa Fe models. Check with your local Hyundai dealership to see if your Santa Fe is covered. They will reprogram the car's immobilizer system and, if necessary, replace the key fob for free. Some models also received over-the-air updates to address software glitches. If replacing the battery doesn't resolve the issue, try performing a key cycle. Rapidly press the lock and unlock buttons on your key fob several times in quick succession. This can help reset the communication between the fob and your vehicle. Ensure your key fob isn't near other electronic devices that could interfere with its signal. Items like cell phones, tablets, or other wireless devices can sometimes disrupt the low-frequency communication between the fob and your Santa Fe. Avoid attempting to jump-start your vehicle, as this won't resolve a key fob issue. The problem lies with the immobilizer system, not the car's electrical system. Jump-starting may even trigger additional security features. If the problem persists after trying these troubleshooting steps, it's time to seek professional help. Visit an authorized Hyundai dealership where technicians can diagnose the issue and perform necessary repairs or reprogramming of the immobilizer system. Automotive experts attribute these key fob issues to flaws in battery sourcing and supply chain problems. While reprogramming fixes are simple, the failures themselves are frustrating for owners. Newer Hyundai models have integrated battery health monitoring, alerting drivers before the fob completely dies. The future of key fobs is evolving rapidly. Expect rechargeable fobs with wireless charging capabilities. Rechargeable fobs with wireless charging are on the horizon, eliminating the need for battery replacements. Biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or facial recognition, may replace traditional fobs altogether for enhanced security. The industry is exploring hybrid smart keys that combine NFC and Bluetooth technologies for improved security and reliability. Hyundai is investing in AI-driven predictive maintenance to anticipate and fix fob issues remotely before they occur.